to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new commercial ice makers. Now this is going to be a 264 pound commercial ice maker, and that's what it produces per 24-hour cycle. Now brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Before we get started on more, I do want to go ahead and give you the measurements for this ice maker so you have an idea of what it measures. So let's go ahead and give you those measurements, and then we'll go ahead and talk more about this unit. Starting with the length, we are looking at a length of 25.5 inches, 25.5 from front to back. You're looking at a total of 25.5 inches, and the overall height, you're looking at a total of 41.5 inches high. Okay, so those are your measurements for this ice maker. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the front, you can locate your controls for this ice maker. On here, you have a power switch. You also have switch for temperature. Okay, so that's all going to be on that control on the front. Also on the front, we have our filter, which we can go ahead and clean out every so often just to make sure it doesn't get clogged up. All right, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this ice maker. I also want to go ahead and show you the inside here. This is where all the ice will be stored, obviously. So we do have this lid right here that you can go ahead and open up, leave open, and close it just like that. You also will be provided with legs for this ice maker. Okay, so that's a little demonstration for this 264 pound ice maker. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the side of this unit. And on the side of the unit is where we'll be able to locate a sticker with all the specs regarding this ice maker, starting with model. You have your voltage, current, power. You also will be able to locate your certification. This unit is certified by the health department. Okay, so that's all going to be located on the side of this unit. Okay, for this unit, it does run on 115 volt, so we can locate our plug on the back. It is a standard US plug. Also on the back, we can locate connections for the water inlet and outlet. Okay, so that's going to be on the back of this ice maker as well. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 264 pound ice maker unit. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.